When a new pathogen breaks out, usually in a low or middle income country, sharing the pathogen's genetic data with the world allows others, mostly in high income countries, to develop vaccines more quickly. Should vaccine manufacturers be required to donate some of the resulting doses to low income countries, or should they only be urged to do so? Professor David McAdams of Duke University's Fuqua School of Business studied the question. Wealthy countries insist that their vaccine makers should not be required to donate doses. However, many low or middle income countries insist that vaccine makers should be required to share a portion of their production. This impasse has stalled UN negotiations over a pandemic agreement, threatening our ability to respond effectively to the next pandemic. But there is a win-win solution, McAdams says. Vaccine makers who commit ahead of time to share some of their production could be rewarded with enhanced access to pathogen data and opportunities to accelerate vaccine testing in the countries with the earliest outbreaks. Vaccine makers and LMICs each benefit from such an arrangement, and each have an incentive to follow through on their commitments. LMICs want to help participating vaccine makers to accelerate vaccine development, since they will get some of the earliest doses produced. And vaccine makers also benefit, since they are able to begin producing doses and begin protecting people in their home country months earlier than otherwise. Working together with low and middle income countries in this way, vaccine developers could get vaccines to market much faster than during the COVID pandemic, down from a year to just a few months, a profound win-win for the world.